Hello traders, today is the last trading day of the week, 17th of May 2024. As always, most of my traders bank amazing profit, and let me share with you guys how we help them to bank amazing profit. So we had an amazing trade on, um, let's talk about the Euro USD. We had a beautiful short trade here, and based on the 4 hour as explained my trader if this morning, market nicely reverse. You can let me make it slightly bigger so at least I can explain to you in more detail. So if you look at here, we have these candles inside candle pattern. So this is the sign of a reversal, and we've been short here once the market came back and developed pullback. So in an intraday, how we analyze the market, that's the key important thing is. So if I show you my analysis of intraday, and we're still holding short, by the way. So we have this beautiful long, as you can see here. So once the market develops structure, as explained to my trader, if the market is going to break this low, then we would consider head and shoulder pattern and then keep enjoying short trade here. So you can see here market nicely develop a head and shoulder pattern. In intraday, market refused many times, 1, 2, 3 times, and this is a retest, and that's basically explained. Just keep enjoying a short trade here. The target is about to 200 EMA in our intraday system, or at least this low. Let's see how that's gonna go, but most of my traders still enjoying it short trade on Euro USD. All right, so let's move into the show you another one that was had a beautiful trade. That's the pound Swiss franc. Let me share with you guys the pound Swiss franc. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, that's what explained my trader. We've been long here since the market broken and retest give us the confirmation. And even this morning, as explained, market nicely developed a pullback. So we had this beautiful breakout. As explained, my trader just keep taking a pullback. And the previous high was the target, which market nicely hit. So how I analyze the entries, that's let me explain to you. That was a pretty straightforward as explained to my trader. Look for, because the market already developed. If you look at here, double bottom here and the support level, market nicely broken the previous high. After that retest, momentum was bullish. I've take a long trade here, and after impulsive market developed correction, we have another beautiful long based on the momentum. Market nicely hit to the profit target. That's what explained my traders time to enjoy amazing profit. So we have another beautiful long trade on pound Swiss franc. So we have another beautiful trade, especially I think in pound and dollar yen. That was the beautiful trade, guys. So if you look at the dollar yen, as explained to, because if you look at, we were expecting, if you look at the 4 hour chart, let me explain to you in 4 hour. Okay, so because in 4 hour, we can see the market, we were expecting the market should respect, but instead market develop a false breakout. That's the hyper probability trade. As explained, my trader just keep taking pullback. So we've been long on this journey too. So let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. That was a pretty straightforward. So this morning, just before the London Open, as you can see here, as explained, looking for long. That's the first priority because the market previously respected here. So we're expecting high probability. If the market is going to break this support and give us the confirmation, then we're looking short. Otherwise, first priority, pull back long. So you can see the market nicely develop, pull back long. Beautiful, nicely hit to the profit target. Even before that, we did another analysis, look for pullback. The reason why, because the trader keep asking what is the best entry. So that's why we did another analysis to help our trader not to miss this opportunity and bank amazing profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but I'm pretty sure that you're gonna love it when you see it live in real time. At the same time, you're learning it and banking amazing profits. So most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a nice weekend and thank you for watching this video. Until next time, all the best.